How to deactivate Instagram. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna learn how you can deactivate Instagram. So for that, all you have to do is open your Instagram app and open profile at the bottom right of the screen. After you get to profile, you can see three lines at the top right of the screen. After you press it, multiple options appear. Select the top option that says settings and privacy. After you hear, go ahead and press on account center. After you are here in account center, there you can see in account settings, second option, personal details. If you press it, you can see the personal details of your account and select account ownership and control. After you are here, there are different options. All you have to do is select the second option that says deactivation or deletion. Go ahead and select which account you want to deactivate. I'm gonna choose the Instagram account, and in first option it says deactivating your account is temporary. So if you just want to deactivate it, go ahead and keep it selected in the first option and go ahead and press continue. After you're done with it, after it might require your password to reconfirm, and after you enter your password, your account will finally be deactivated. And that is how you can deactivate Instagram account. If you got any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and see you guys in the next one.